If you're looking for a way to lower your blinds without all the hassle, you've come to the right place. In this article, we'll show you how to lower your blinds quickly and easily without any fuss or mess. There are a few different ways you can lower your blinds, depending on what type of blinds you have. If you have a cordless blind, simply pull the bottom of the blind down until it reaches the desired height. If you have a corded blind, use the cord to lower the blind until it reaches the desired height. Finally, if you have a motorized blind, use the remote control to lower the blind to the desired height. That's all there is to it. Lowering your blinds is a quick and easy task that anyone can do. There are many ways to lower your blinds. You can use a remote, a cordless system, or even a manually operated system. But what is the best way to lower your blinds? 1. Pull the cord. Cordless alternatives to window blinds are becoming increasingly popular, but there are still many homes and offices that have corded window blinds. If you have corded window blinds, it's important to know how to properly operate them and how to safely keep the cords out of reach of children and pets. Here are a few tips on how to pull the cord of blinds. Before you pull the cord, make sure that there are no knots or tangles in it. Grasp the cord near the end that is attached to the blinds. Gently pull the cord until the blinds are at the desired height. If you need to lower the blinds, simply reverse the process, and always be sure to keep the cord out of reach of children and pets. 2. Release the cord. Opening the blinds is a daily occurrence in most households, but did you know that there is a proper way to do it? Many people don't realize that there is a right and a wrong way to lower blinds. The wrong way to lower blinds is by yanking on the cord. This can cause the blinds to come off the track or break altogether. The right way to lower blinds is by gently pulling on the cord until the blinds are at the desired height. So next time you go to lower your blinds, remember to release the cord. 3. Lower the strings. Most blinds are lowered by reaching up and pulling a cord or chain. However, if you have high or hard-to-reach windows, this can be difficult. A good solution is to lower the strings on your blinds. This will give you more control and make it easier to lower your blinds even when they're high up. To lower the strings on your blinds, start by removing the blinds from the window. Next, locate the string at the top of the blinds and tie it off at the bottom. Once the string is secure, cut it with a sharp knife or scissors. Be careful not to cut the cord or chain that is attached to the bottom of the blinds. Now tie the string to the bottom of the blinds and then reattach the blinds to the window. 4. Lock the blinds. Most people think that you should lower your blinds during the day to keep the sun from heating up your home. But did you know that you can actually save energy by locking your blinds? When you lock your blinds, you create an air pocket between the window and the blind. This air pocket helps to insulate your home and keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. So not only will you save energy, you'll also save money on your energy bills. So next time you're looking to lower your energy costs, be sure to lock your blinds.